वेलकम बैक। हेलो जी।
गेडी मारो।
क्या हालचाल?
सब फर्स्ट क्लास। क्या हो रहा है? हाउ वाज द वीक?
The week was good. Actually, it was good.
टू बिजी मैन।
I don't mind being busy, bro.
ये
सच्ची बताऊं तो I don't mind being busy.
यार ये सितंबर जैसे ही आता है सब मतलब ऐसे भागना शुरू करते हैं जैसे कि चूहे पे वो
The hamster on a wheel.
हैमस्टर ऑन अ व्हील।
Yes,
वैसा
sir.
ही है, बस पूरा हफ्ता भाग ही रहा हूँ मैं यार।
That's a good thing.
इट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग।
COVID has taught us that. it's it's good to be busy.
भागते रहो।
It's okay.
इट्स ओके। इट्स ओके।
Yeah. Okay, ji. So let's start. Let's dive right in terms of the news.
यस, गेडी मारो पे न्यूज ये है कि रोल्स रॉयस जस्ट मेड अ वन ऑफ वन कार। क्या नाम बोलते हैं उसके लिए?
और
फॉर द
मैं
जापानीज बिलियनर।
हाँ
जापानीज बिलियनर का नाम क्या था?
एक
नहीं,
सेकंड
गाड़ी का नाम क्या
I
था?
have it written.
गाड़ी का नाम क्या था?
Orib. I have it
ए
written.
जापानीज स्टाइल में बोल।
Orib.
दिस इज ये रेसिस्ट आदमी है ये।
Hey,
कैसे बोलता है यार?
come on. The guy's name is
द गाइज नेम इज नॉट ओरिब।
no
द
no.
नेम ऑफ द कार इज ओरिब।
Correct.
या द फैंटम
You I said the name of the car only,
हाँ,
but
okay.
the guy's name is something else.
अच्छा
Yusaku. Mr. Yusaku.
भाई, बिलियनर
Maizwa.
खरीद लेगा तेरे को।
ले लो सर। मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ब्रो। आई एम फॉर सेल।
नो, नॉट दैट वे।
ओके
भाई पीजी शो है।
ओके सो one of one
वन ऑफ वन
Rolls Royce
इन
called the Orib in collaboration.
विद अर्मे।
Orme. This is the one which starts with the H and ends with the S.
द बिग एच दैट पीपल वेयर ऑन देयर।
हाँ exactly करामा वाला।
ये जिसका जिसका ये कलर का लेदर बनता है ना, जो फेमस है इसकी, ये हम अर्मे काउच पे बैठे हैं।
हाँ exact of course यार come on this is also two of one.
हाँ, तो
हाँ.
जोड़ी है।
Yeah, exactly. Okay,
so-
so this Japanese billionaire, how much is the car worth?
I don't know.
Hmm.
But obviously, since it's a one of one, I'm assuming he spent a lot. A
Okay,
lot.
so I have a question on this one of one wala scenario.
Okay.
Since it's a Rolls Royce,
Right.
you can customize it according to you. You can have it bespoke अपने हिसाब से, right?
Correct.
तो isn't every Rolls Royce a one of one? जो बंदा खरीद रहा है उसके हिसाब से?
नहीं तो समझो कि ब्लैक ऑन ब्लैक गाड़ी बनाई है।
Hmm.
अभी वो ब्लैक एंड ब्लैक का जो टेम्पलेट है उसमें प्लेट डाल दिया सिड नीचे साइड पे,
Right.
वन ऑफ वन तो हो गई, बट वो
Right.
ब्लैक ऑन ब्लैक वैसे बहुत बनाएंगे वो लोग टू कस्टमाइज।
हाँ.
नाउ व्हेन यू गो टू कस्टमाइज अ कार,
Right.
they have a lot of options.
Correct.
A lot means a lot of options.
Correct.
So usually most people get confused.
Hmm.
So what Rolls-Royce or any other car manufacturer does is that they have these preset combos which usually people
ये
want.
सिर्फ आपके लिए दे रहे हैं
हाँ,
और
नहीं, वो
10
नहीं।
और पीछे लाइन लगा के खड़े हैं ऐसा है
नहीं,
क्या?
वैसी बात नहीं है। वो बोलेंगे कि ये रेडी पैक है, आप ये ले लो, आपके कलर्स
हाँ.
इससे मैच होते हैं।
Okay.
And usually most people don't, they want customization but to a level.
Hmm.
They will not go into के फैक्ट कि भाई मेरा सीट के अंदर एम्ब्रॉयडरी भी ऐसा करो, मेरा छत भी ऐसे बनाओ, मेरा वुड भी ऐसे बनाओ, मेरे टायर भी वैसे बनाओ, मेरा पेंट भी ऐसे बनाओ।
Okay.
Very few people do that.
हाँ.
And obviously then it comes down to the fact is how much money are you spending
So
on
when
top.
those people do it, does that become a one of one?
It does become a one of one.
So he's done that,
He's done that.
but you can also do it, is what the point is. Anybody can do it to an extent.
Correct. So they will do it for you, but they won't replicate this car for you.
Understood.
They'll do it your way.
हाँ. मतलब
कि-
थोड़ा
हाँ.
बहुत टिंज आगे पीछे का कर देंगे,
हाँ,
कलर वलर
हाँ,
इधर उधर
हाँ,
प्लस
Correct.
माइनस हो
पर
जाएगा.
वो सेम टू सेम नहीं देंगे आपको।
हाँ. Right.
That is what I'm saying, is that this car will not be replicated for anyone else. There will be no stitching or embroidery that will be replicated with anybody else. There won't be the exact paint that will be replicated for anybody else. It will be just for this person.
Okay.
So-
Mr. Yasuka Yusaku.
तू क्यों कचरा कर रहा है उसका?
अच्छा सॉरी.
एक तो करोड़ों में गाड़ी ली है उसने, फिर तू उससे मजाक उड़ा रहा है
I
उसका।
want to get the name right. Mr. Yusaku Maizawa. Mr. Yusaku Maizawa. So हक जमाने की जब बात हो रही है तो फिर मर्सिडीज ने भी अपना हक जमाया.
So Mercedes circumnavigated the
हाँ.
length of the earth
हाँ.
or the equator at the Nado test ring.
Meaning?
मतलब जो अर्थ का गोल है,
हाँ.
जो लेंथ है अर्थ का,
हाँ.
is around 40,000 kilometers.
Okay.
Mercedes drove that length at the Nado test ring continuously over 7 days, non-stop in their EV to break that
Interesting.
record.
Interesting.
And they
Okay.
broke some 25 other records at the same time. they had 17 drivers from the Pro GT3 category,
Huh.
the drivers who
Right.
kept on switching.
Right.
They also had the fastest charging time,
Huh.
and they broke the record set by any other previous EV by 1500 kilometers.
So basically they were the शहंशाह.
शहंशाह, वो लोग बता रहे कि भाई हमारी ईवी टेक्नोलॉजी अभी बेस्ट है दुनिया में.
हाँ.
Is what they are
अंधेरी
claiming.
रातों में सुनसान राहों पर जब निकलता है कोई उसको मर्सिडीज का ईवी बोलते हैं.
I mean, considering the fact that the amount of hate the previous generation of all the Mercedes EVs got,
हाँ.
they are trying to make a huge statement by saying that ठीक है हमने वो कर दिया, अभी ये देखो तुम.
I like that approach, to be honest.
So
I like that they are being gutsy and they are taking it in their stride and making efforts to make it better.
my question comes up is, how long are these going to records last
Hmm.
against all the Chinese guys? Like when those guys will come out to fight
Huh.
with the Germans or with
Hmm.
Mercedes or with any other
Hmm.
Western car manufacturer,
Hmm.
are these records actually going to last, or how quickly can these records be demolished?
So I also think it's about the whole ecosystem, right?
Right.
The motor, the torque, the battery, कितनी जल्दी से जल्दी आप बैटरी चार्ज कर सकते हो, कितनी बैटरी उसके अंदर में लास्ट होगी,
Correct.
कितना आपका efficiency निकलेगा बैटरी के अंदर.
Correct.
All of those things combined,
Yes,
and
obviously.
whosoever has the best, whether it's a Tesla or a BYD or these older guys,
Yeah.
whether it's a BMW or a Mercedes or an Audi or whosoever,
Correct.
you know, it all depends on whosoever has the best technology.
Right.
And abhi tak, I mean,
So
sabhi,
right,
it's all open.
it's all open
It's an open forum.
and it's running. It's a race, open race. सब
It's
भाग
an
रहे हैं.
open race, and I like it. Matlab, it's a good place to be.
So imagine where people are still talking about EVs not being the future,
Hmm.
and at the German auto show, every single
Manufacturer.
just spoke about EVs.
Right.
Like they literally came down with the future of EVs back to back.
But isn't it funny that 6 months back, everybody was saying that we are stopping our EV production. We don't want to get into total EV.
Yeah.
Now they are going back to the whole EV thing again. They are having a line of EV. But
Confusion
is
है.
there confusion?
हाँ, तो
Is there something that is happening below the surface?
I think short term में a hybrid
Hmm.
or a plug-in hybrid or
Hmm.
a hybrid setup is where the stopgap measure is.
Hmm.
But the future is EV.
Hmm.
The future has to be EV.
Hmm.
So eventually the gas-powered cars or diesel-powered cars are going to stop.
Hmm.
And we are going to move into some sort of electrified power.
Hmm.
That is for sure. That is given.
अब वो 10 साल में आता है,
हाँ.
5 साल में आता है, 2 साल में
Correct.
आता है या 50 साल में आता
Correct. And every country, हर area का अपना अपना वो adoption level time change होएगा, अपने हिसाब से होएगा.
है? Correct.
So just a matter of time कि कौन कहाँ adopt करता है.
Time and infrastructure.
हाँ, but push is EV. अभी घंटूट में बन रहा है ना. You've seen that huge EV park that's getting built in Ghantut. It's a huge
It's-
EV charging
Yeah,
station that is
it's-
being like around, I think 200 or 100 some charging stations are being built in Ghantut for people who are going from Dubai to Abu Dhabi and they want to charge their cars.
Hmm.
तो अगर ये बनते जाएगा ऐसे across, imagine building all of this on the highways, massive charging stations by the government or by private players, automatically your EV adaptability is going to go up, right? People will start taking that.
That's the reason, no, why petrol, gasoline cars still work.
Correct.
Every few kilometers you have a petrol pump. You know कि वो range anxiety मेरे को
Correct.
पेट्रोल के अंदर क्यों नहीं आती है,
Correct.
क्योंकि I know
100%.
वही चीज अगर आपके पास में EV के साथ है, वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी
हाँ.
चार्जर्स के साथ में, इलेक्ट्रिक चार्जर्स के साथ में, I
Last
think
week,
there's a thing.
how Mark was telling us about Neo के वो battery swap technology, अंदर जाओ,
Exactly.
बैटरी निकालेंगे, दूसरी बैटरी डालेंगे और निकलो गाड़ी. I mean,
Yeah.
so a lot of things are happening,
Hmm.
and eventually we will end up driving EVs. That is for sure.
So we should keep our ICE engines अपने पास में रखते हैं
थोड़ा ज़रा टाइम लग सकता है.
इन्वेस्टमेंट के हिसाब से.
नहीं,
This will
सब
be like gold. थोड़े टाइम के बाद में it will sell like hotcakes.
नहीं भाई, भंगारी होएगा, क्योंकि पेट्रोल अगर मिलना बंद हो जाएगा तो करेगा क्या इस इंजन का?
अरे जैसे घोड़े अभी दौड़ाते हैं, जिनके पास में घोड़े हैं वो
हाँ.
रईस हैं.
हाँ, रईसज़ादे, हाँ,
रईसज़ादे बनाए, खानदानी बनाने जाते हैं.
हैं.
जिनके पास में इंजन वाली गाड़ियां हैं उनको भी खानदानी बनाया जाएगा.
तो एक काम करो, कम्यूटर व्हीकल्स छोड़ो और
हाँ.
जाके कलेक्टेबल कार्स खरीदना शुरू करो.
Exactly. Okay,
हाँ.
so talking about the collectible cars, now let's talk about the gentleman from the Czech Republic.
क्या बंदा है यार, एपिक है स्टोरी उसकी.
I love him.
2019 से ओके सॉरी जस्ट टू गिव योर कॉन्टेक्स्ट, एक आदमी है चेक रिपब्लिक में जिसने डलारा GT2 गाड़ी ली विच इज लाइक अ रेसिंग कार एंड ही मॉडिफाइड दैट कार टू लुक लाइक अ फॉर्मूला 1 कार।
फरारी के स्टिकर विकर सब लगा
सब
के
कुछ
लाल रंग की फरारी फॉर्मूला 1 कार आपको दिखेगी ऑन द हाईवे।
करेक्ट, उसने पूरा F1 का स्टाइल का गाड़ी बनाया एंड ही इवन ड्रेसेस अप लाइक अ फॉर्मूला 1
या
ड्राइवर
या विद होल रेसिंग
Helmet
सूट
and
हेलमेट
everything.
वेलमेट सब कुछ।
एंड ये गाड़ी रोड लीगल नहीं है, मतलब ये रास्ते पे नहीं चल सकती है, इसके पास कोई नंबर प्लेट नहीं, कोई इंश्योरेंस नहीं, कुछ नहीं है। और ये बंदा 2019 से आज तक या पिछले हफ्ते तक चेक रिपब्लिक में हाईवे पे गाड़ी भगा रहा था नॉन स्टॉप, और कोई
अप
पुलिस
डाउन अप डाउन सब कुछ उसका चल रहा था।
और कोई पुलिस उसको पकड़ नहीं पा रही थी। व्हाट अ गाय मैन, व्हाट अ गाय।
अभी भी उनको इसलिए पकड़ा गया वो क्योंकि he was filling a petrol in the petrol station.
ओ रियली?
Yeah, they couldn't catch up with him,
हाँ,
but he was filling petrol. तो वहां पे जाके उसको पकड़ा, पेट्रोल
ओ,
पंप पे जाके उसको
अच्छा
पकड़ा।
पेट्रोल पंप को ना घर तक फॉलो किया उसने या
नहीं
कुछ
नहीं
किया उन्होंने
नहीं, सो
उसको?
उसको पेट्रोल पंप के अंदर में देखा उन्होंने, he
हाँ,
was getting his gas filled and everything, और उसके
हाँ।
बाद में जाके वहां पे स्टैंड ऑफ हुआ।
ओह
So and everybody is going कि यार ये क्या बंदा है, very good. Let's be honest, he wasn't doing okay. So the only reason that he got caught was because उसके पास नंबर प्लेट नहीं थी।
हाँ,
This is not a road legal car जिस
Correct.
हिसाब से वो चला रहा था,
and
and
it's-
highways पे चला रहा था
and it's not
in
insured
full
as well.
speed. Exactly. So उस हिसाब से this is what the police was fighting for.
Correct.
It wasn't कि he was driving rashly.
But what a cool story यार। मैं
It is an amazing
ये
story.
अगर इटली में होता था ना तो वो लोग उसको तो
शाबाश।
शाबाशी दे देते।
इसी को दे देते हैं, लुइस तेरे को आने की जरूरत नहीं है, तू ही हमारी गाड़ी चला, ये वाले को बोल देते थे।
I swear. तो आई मीन लेजेंड है यार, ये लेजेंडरी लोग हैं।
Yeah. Everybody is praising him. मतलब वो एक होता है ना, this is like a man story.
हाँ,
You know, all the boys connect to it.
Correct.
All the men connect to it.
Correct.
They just want him to win.
विन। तो चेक में एक और एक इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट था जो अपनी बुगाटी लेके
हाँ,
he set the official record of the fastest drive on a public road in his Bugatti Veyron
okay.
with the support of Bugatti।
हाँ,
वो गाड़ी जर्मनी या किधर लेके गया, चेक आदमी था, and he set a record on the autobahn
okay.
without informing anybody. He just informed Bugatti, Bugatti went helped him, वो गाड़ी सेटअप करके वो भगा के लेके गया कुछ 400 के स्पीड पे और बोला ये रिकॉर्ड ऐसे सेट किया है। तो German police got very angry with him. This is an old story, but they got very angry with him कि how did you drive so fast?
हाँ,
तो बंदा बोला आप लोगों ने बोला कोई स्पीड लिमिट नहीं है तो मैं
ऑटोबान पे चला रहा हूँ मैं। I am legally allowed.
हाँ exactly
Very nice. I love it.
तो I mean he's a legend till date.
I love this. These
This-
Czech boys, I love this. Awesome.
In fact, next week, talking of Bugatti, next week there is this whole place where all the Bugatti owners are invited to France,
हाँ,
to the factory, and then they're doing a road trip with the Bugattis across Europe or something that way.
बस ठीक है।
तो मुझे भी जाना है यार,
हाँ, हम लोग भी जाएंगे, चलाएंगे और आपको फिर अपडेट कराएंगे।
चल जाके बुगाटी लेते।
Exactly. मैं अभी निकालता हूँ, चिल्लर निकालता
I
हूँ अभी।
woke up in a Bugatti, गाना गाएंगे। तो टॉकिंग अबाउट F1, मैक्स भाई साहब ने तो तोड़फाड़ मचा दी पिछले हफ्ते।
पूरी तरह से।
कितने रिकॉर्ड तोड़े उसने?
Out of all the records, fastest lap
ओके
and उसके साथ साथ सबसे ज़्यादा लंबा margin
ओके
between him and the second car was about I think 19 seconds का or
Okay.
something like that.
वाओ ओके
And that is just amazing to see कि Max के लिए
हाँ
Toto Wolff is saying कि he
Good.
is making all the other drivers look stupid.
एग्जैक्टली
And that's something.
दैट्स समथिंग। मतलब यू नो
When it- किसी और का टीम प्रिंसिपल आपके बच्चे के लिए बोल रहा है तो
ये पता है कैसा है, ये लिंक्डइन पे जॉब प्रोफाइल डालने के बजाय इसका नौकरी खुली है तेरे लिए।
जैसे वो F1 मूवी के अंदर ब्रैड पिट को बोला था ना, "यो, तू आ जा मेरे पास।
तो वैसा ही है, यही है सटल
यही कर रहा है,
हाँ।
सटली यही कर रहा है।
एंड आई थिंक उसने जब ये गैप बनाया 19 सेकंड्स, इट इज द फास्टेस्ट एवर लैप in the history of Formula 1.
Correct.
Imagine that. Obviously, the cars have become faster and all of that, but seriously, yaar,
The guy is a good driver, no doubts about it.
100%.
He understands. And इसीलिए तो over the weekend when he has a time off, he's going to Nürburgring.
हाँ भाई, GT3 चलाने जा रहा है, 296 GT3 फरारी चलाने जा रहा है।
Ferrari चलाने जा रहे हैं of all the things. But उसके लिए भी he had to make sure कि he got everything, all his licenses in.
Correct. Yes.
It wasn't ke just
हाँ.
because I have been in the Formula One,
Yes.
so I
Correct.
can drive
Go
at the
drive this.
Nürburgring.
Yeah. Yeah.
He had to take special permissions. He had to take special licenses.
Yeah.
And only after that is he allowed to be in that race.
Imagine the insurance. Like you race on this and you race in that at the
Huh?
same time, and
Huh?
imagine this insurance premium you have to pay on your life.
Well, the companies are there.
Exactly.
They are paying.
So obviously इनका जब ये फटा हुआ दूसरा
हाँ.
Piastri and
Norris का.
Norris का.
हाँ.
What is your take on that? What do you think of that? Okay, let's tell the audience what happened actually first of all.
Okay. So basically, these guys, इनका pit stop हुआ अलग-अलग, Lando Norris का और Piastri का.
हाँ.
And for some reason, Lando Norris का जो pit stop था, it was लंबा pit stop than usual जो होना चाहिए. And then by the end of it, the guys, the McLaren team principal, he was like, let Lando go आगे.
So Piastri, Lando was leading first.
Lando
Piastri
was leading first, then it was Piastri,
Correct.
and then Lando को आगे बोला जाने के लिए कि let him go आगे.
Okay, so because of the pit stop, Piastri पहले आगे चला गया, Lando was behind him, and they were told to switch.
Yes.
What is your take on that?
I think if you have to choose between both your kids, this is not a right way to show team spirit.
Okay, so I will have to disagree with you on this.
Please tell why.
Okay, Lando has been with McLaren for how long?
Let's say almost close to 7, 8, 9 years.
9 years?
Yeah.
That long?
Yeah.
Piastri को join होके कितना time हुआ?
Maybe उसका आधा.
आधा भी नहीं, 1 साल हुआ, 2 साल हुआ है ना?
नहीं, he must be there पीछे also, no?
पीछे है, पर आगे तो
हाँ.
अभी आया ना?
हाँ.
ये पहला सीजन है ना उसका?
Correct.
भाई जब से आया है तो धमाल मचाया है उसने.
Correct.
Look at the amount of wins he's had.
Right.
Has Lando ever accomplished that much? I don't think so.
Not with Piastri this year.
No, but not. I mean, Piastri is doing a lot by himself in his first year. Lando in his entire career has not done as much as Piastri is doing in his first year out.
Correct.
So that just shows Piastri is a much more accomplished driver.
Correct.
Now, if this would happen with any other brand, so imagine it was not McLaren, it was say McLaren Ferrari or McLaren whatever, XYZ. They would have to fight to win that point back, right? They would have to actually race to win that or overtake to get that upper hand. So Norris would have to basically race the guy in front of them to actually get that position.
Right.
Here he just got it back.
Correct.
Which I think was unfair. If
that's what I'm saying.
Yeah. You are agreeing with me.
Yeah. That's exactly what I'm saying. It was not right. If you had to choose between the kids,
अच्छा, वैसे, हाँ, oh, so,
then it is not right.
Oh.
The way you are showing it is not right.
हाँ, okay.
Team spirit के नाम पे आप ये नहीं कर सकते.
हाँ, अच्छा ऐसे बोला.
हाँ.
Sorry, मेरी bad. मेरी गलती हो गई.
नहीं, I was thinking, okay, कुछ होगा जो मेरे को नहीं समझ में आया.
नहीं, मेरी गलती है.
हाँ.
तो but yeah, I don't agree with the fact कि उसको आगे
नहीं जाना चाहिए था.
नहीं, हाँ, उसको हटाना नहीं चाहिए था वहाँ से.
Absolutely not. So many times it's happened with the other guys also.
Correct.
That they have to fight to get to position 1.
Yes.
And that's where the driver ka skill comes out. So that is in itself, it's just wow. But us hisab se, now I'm thinking, what is the strategy going to be going into Azerbaijan? Because Piastri is going to be like, कि भैया last time जो हुआ वो मुझे अभी नहीं चाहिए. अभी तुम देखो मैं क्या करेगा.
मैं सबकी फाड़ डालूंगा. And I agree. करना
होना चाहिए.
Piastri बजा दो.
हाँ.
धमाल
और यहाँ फिर Lando will also need to prove himself also.
100%. एक इंटरव्यू देख रहा था मैं जहाँ पर कोई रिपोर्टर asked Lando a question and the same question he went and asked Piastri or vice versa. और बीच में Verstappen ऐसे बैठा हुआ था. And when he asked the other guy the question, Verstappen just went, क्यों कर रहे हो मुझे? He literally just did that. He had that face कि क्या है? हो गया जाने दो यार, बात खत्म हो गई.
Interestingly, there is a rumor that Ferrari is in talks with Piastri.
To do what exactly they're doing to Lewis Hamilton?
I don't know about that. But maybe after Lewis, they are looking at Piastri. That's what the rumors are saying.
Well, putting all of the rumors aside, there's a confirmed news that Adidas has now become the sponsor for the Audi F1 team.
It's a good thing.
3 stripes and 4 bangdis.
And 1 car.
In 1 car. 2 cars.
Huh. Correct.
So I think 2026 will be more exciting than 2025.
I think so. With the whole DRS को हटा के and they're bringing in MOM and उसके साथ साथ then the
Cadillac.
engines, the gas engines,
Yes.
synthetic fuel, Adidas coming in, 2 new teams
Right.
coming in, Audi coming in, and then Cadillac coming in. It is going to be an exciting
And
season.
2 very experienced drivers coming for Cadillac.
Of course,
So-
of course.
बनता है. Should be a very fun season to watch.
Absolutely, absolutely. Cannot wait. But yeah, looking forward to Azerbaijan for now.
And हमारे साथ दुबई में क्या हो रहा है?
So, Dubai के अंदर this week there were 2 car launches which happened.
Yes.
One was the Jetor, the
Jetor,
G700,
G700.
and then there was also BYD की Shark 6,
Correct.
which these guys are
Correct.
launching.
तो जेटोर तो भाई उन्होंने धमाल मचाया था कल.
हाँ,
बुर्ज खलीफा पे वो जेटोर का एड लगा दिया, गाड़ी उसके नीचे रखी थी. अरमानी होटल में गया था कल रात को,
हाँ,
गाड़ी वाड़ी अनवेल की.
right,
And it's a big SUV,
right.
bigger SUV than the T1 and the T2.
Okay.
Looks very similar.
So, are they going into the Jeep Cherokee, the Grand Cherokee wala segment?
Correct. So they're trying to prove that they are an off-roading luxury vehicle.
Okay.
And they have something called Gaia, which is like some sort of artificial intelligence inbuilt into the car,
Huh.
which will help the car perform better and do better off-roading, and it has all the features and tech and all of that stuff.
Okay.
So it looks like very similar to the T1 and the T2, just bigger. 7-seater.
Hmm.
They claim it's a luxury product.
Okay.
So very interesting to see it on the road and see it move around and actually see it do off-roading stuff.
Ah, I'm more interested in that.
They showed a small clip कि वो गाड़ी off-road कर रही है and all of that, but that is, I mean, हम ठीक है शायद बाहर वालों को impressive लगा होगा, पर हम तो रोज देखते हैं हर ब्रांड वाला ऐसे ही लॉन्च करता है गाड़ी.
Okay. I'm looking forward to the BYD one.
Yes, because tell us about the Shark 6.
Okay. Looks wise, वो सामने से मेरे को it looked a lot like the F-150.
हाँ, the headlights.
The headlights.
Yeah.
You know, and पीछे से it looked a lot like the Ranger.
So it's a pickup truck.
It's a pickup truck.
It's a pickup truck.
And I think उस category के अंदर which all are there? You have the Jeep Gladiator, you have the Rams there,
पर ये
you
तो
have
EV है ना
the
पूरी.
नहीं PHEV है.
PHEV है, okay.
हाँ.
Okay.
So it's hybrid EV जो है.
तो 1 घंटा पहले वो भाषण जो दे रहा था काहे के बारे में बात कर रहा
I
था
have
वो?
no idea. मैं लेट पहुंचा इसीलिए.
तो मैं भी लेट पहुंचा. तो तू जल्दी जाएगा.
I thought नहीं मैं लेट पहुंचा कि मैं भाषण सब खत्म हो जाए उसके बाद में मैं जाके I'll just look at the car, try and find out what exactly is that. So they haven't still come out with is it going to be a 1.5 liter turbo,
Okay.
2 liter turbo, or what it's going to
Okay.
be. But it's a hybrid EV.
Okay. But the car was camouflaged, so we don't
Hmm.
know exactly how the car looks in real life. क्योंकि उन्होंने पूरा वो स्टिकर विकर डाल के रखा हुआ था पूरा उसका
Correct.
उसके ऊपर.
But जितना समझ में आ रहा था,
But
it looked impressive.
It's a big car.
It's a
It's a
big
big car. I think
It's a
it's-
big car.
It's on the size of the F-150, like you just said.
Yeah.
I think Geely की Redara आती है,
Hmm.
which is a size smaller.
Right.
So that competes with the Ford Ranger and Kia Tasman size and all of that stuff.
Exactly.
So
I think this is after the SUV section. This is the truck section is where everybody
Hmm.
is now focused on.
Correct.
You know, from saloons they went to the
Yes.
SUV. Now the SUV CUV के अंदर में एकदम everybody is gone into that. Now everybody is going to the truck section.
अभी कोई नया चीज चाहिए ना बेचने के लिए.
Bro, I am happy.
हाँ.
And I want to take this off-roading.
You want to take the truck off-roading.
I want to take the truck off-roading just to
Okay.
see कि कितना है क्या है उसका capability.
Correct. So,
If it's a plug-in hybrid,
yeah.
तो फिर how is it?
100%. I think that is a very important way to gauge how powerful or how capable the car is
Correct.
in a genuine off-road situation.
Yeah. And I mean, we sat inside, we saw the build quality is good.
Yeah.
It was
Yeah.
impressive.
Yes.
It wasn't वो plasticky material उसके
हाँ.
अंदर नहीं था.
नहीं, पर as time goes on, the tacticality of the touch and feel of all of these cars, like the way the door closes, shuts,
Yeah.
the handles, the plastic buttons, like everything is getting
Better and better.
It's better
Agreed.
and better.
Agreed. So yeah, looking forward to both of them. I think this one is coming out end of September. The
I
Shark
think so.
6.
Yeah, Shark 6, yeah. End
They're-
of September, yeah.
They're thinking of launching it end of September.
The official launch will be end of September. Kal
Correct.
it was like a
It was
pre-demo
just
kind of.
for the media
हाँ,
guys.
correct.
So
And then we had the launch of the new iconic nameplate from Ferrari, the 849 Testarossa. which is
Hmm.
the replacement of the SF90.
Right.
What do you think of the looks of the car?
I like it, but मेरे को ऐसा भी लगता है कि SF90 से ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं है सामने की तरफ से.
नहीं नहीं, बहुत फर्क है यार. असली में
I
तो
felt that.
असली में तो बहुत फर्क आएगा.
But from what I could see, from what the images have come out,
Yeah.
from the front, I couldn't see much of a difference. Yes, there has been a little bit of difference, but not that.
The design language is very polarizing.
Hmm.
There are people who are like, yeah, it looks good, and there are people like, no, it looks bad.
Hmm.
Like complete extreme ends.
Right.
And usually in Ferrari's way, the photos that Ferrari gives during their media launches are usually bad. So when you see the car in real life,
Let's
you're
hope
like,
so.
it looks better.
Let's hope so.
It kind of sets a low bar, and then when you go and see the car in real life, it's like, oh wow,
Huh.
that it looks better in real person or
Let's
in real
hope
life.
that this one also
See,
is the same.
This always happens,
Good.
you know, because I've been driving these cars for a long time, and
Huh.
every time I see photos, I'm like, फोटो पे नहीं भरोसा करूंगा मैं असली में देखूंगा फिर बताऊंगा कि कैसी
When
थी
is it
गाड़ी.
launching though?
It launched. This was the launch.
So when is it here?
They will bring the car on the road show and all that. वो time लगेगा, एक आध 2 महीना लगेगा. So come November, December, we'll actually see the car in person. I think Casa Ferrari पे when the event happens near Formula 1 time पे, we'll see the car in person in the UAE.
So this has 3 motors.
3 motors. So it's
3 motors
correct.
and
twin turbo V8
right.
and 3 electric motors. It's around 50 horsepower more than the SF90, so around 1050 odd horsepower, something
Right.
that way. So obviously it's going to be super fast. I mean, the SF90 was very fast. This is also going to be very fast.
Right.
All-wheel drive system, lot of aerodynamics coming into play,
And it's a huge name to bring back.
the Testarossa, yes,
The Testarossa.
correct. Because the
You
last
cannot. Yeah, exactly.
the last time when we saw the Testarossa was in the 80s on the 512M, which was the last of the Testarossa. And that car by itself was iconic to look at. It was used in Miami Vice. In
Big
fact,
time.
I did a photo shoot of the Testarossa at Jebel Ali Port. And I remember taking the car in. It's a yellow car. And we parked it by all the yellow cranes inside Jebel Ali Port. और उसकी गाड़ी का फोटो शूट किया था हमने.
Right.
Too good. मजा आया था. वो दिन बहुत मजा आया था शूट करते हुए.
That's what I'm saying. It has a nostalgia. It's got a gravitas to
Correct.
that name, and
Yes.
they need to take it forward. So there's a lot that Ferrari needs to get right with this one.
Correct.
Especially this one.
Correct. So 849 Testarossa. Looking forward to driving this car.
Okay, so do you know about this? कि अगर तेरी गाड़ी किसी और गाड़ी से ब्लॉक हो गई है, तो you can actually go on दुबई पुलिस की ऐप एंड वहां पे जाके तू कंप्लेन कर सकता है कि आप मेरी गाड़ी हटवा दो. You don't have to, be all इधर उधर भागते फिरता नहीं रहना है. And the Dubai police, they will send एक SMS with the car number plate and everything to that person जिसकी गाड़ी है कि भाई साहब you have 20 minutes, हटाओ नहीं तो फाइन लगेगा.
तो मेरे को ये मैसेज आ चुका है.
तो you already know this. Done sir. आज का हो गया पॉडकास्ट, खत्म करो.
नहीं, मैं अपने मेरी बिल्डिंग में 10 माले की पार्किंग है.
हाँ.
मेरी थोड़ी हाई फ्लोर पे पार्किंग है.
ओके.
मैं एक बार जल्दी में घर जा रहा था, फोन पे था.
हाँ.
और मैं गलत फ्लोर पे लगा के चला गया. तो जिसकी बंदे की पार्किंग थी, सिक्योरिटी को बोलने के बजाय कि किसकी गाड़ी, उसने दुबई पुलिस में जाके कंप्लेन कर दी. और मैं देख रहा ये क्या है.
एटलीस्ट तेरे को 20 मिनट मिलता है.
हाँ, 20 मिनट मिलता है. हाँ, 20 मिनट मिलता है. You get 20 minutes to go and move your car from there so that you don't get fined from the whole thing.
Yeah. So have you gotten fined? Has it happened with you, or have you gotten that message? That's what we want to know.
Or have you reported somebody? That is what I want to know.
You are that uncle. वो मामा जी जो होता है, ताया जी, मामा जी, फूफा जी, शादी में ऐसे मुंह फुला के बैठे होते हैं. You are that. Okay,
But
let us know.
Let us know. Thank you for watching Gedi Maro. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe so that we keep bringing you this podcast over and over again.
Just follow, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care and have a wonderful week ahead.